Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Shadera, and as you can see by the title, today I'm going to be showing you how to style an outfit with jewellery. In my opinion, accessories are what truly characterise an outfit. So if you get the accessories right, the outfit as a whole is going to look good and put together. So without further ado, I'm going to show you how to accessorise your outfits with jewellery. Obviously, bags and shoes come into play as well, but today I want to focus on jewellery. And I think I've been meaning to do this for a while now, so this will be a fun little video. So the first thing I want to talk about is statement necklaces. I think it's good to remember when you're wearing statement necklaces to kind of tone down everything else. So if you have a statement necklace, then you wouldn't pair it with statement earrings. You'd do like a more dainty or kind of understated earring. For example, if I was wearing like a chunky pearl necklace, then I would do like little pearl earrings rather than like huge in your face earrings. So the earrings still complement the overall look, but they don't try to deter from the necklace or steal the limelight. And as I'm speaking and as we go through the video, then I'm going to put examples on the side, on the screen somewhere to kind of provide visual aids of what I actually mean in case you're a visual learner like myself. Another thing to note when wearing statement necklaces is that you can still wear statement rings because of the distance from your neck to your hand. They're not going to kind of compete with each other in an outfit. They're more likely going to still complement each other. And this same rule applies when wearing statement earrings. Like with these, I wouldn't wear like a chunky statement necklace because then they would kind of compete and take away from the overall look. So yeah, you'd want something more understated if you are going to wear a necklace, or like I like to keep my neckline bare if I do have really statement earrings. However, there are some instances where you can do like statement earrings and statement necklaces, especially if they kind of complement each other. And I think if they're not like overbearing and overpowering pieces like as separates, then it can be done. Like I do have these like clear acrylic earrings that I've paired with like a almost like a metallic silver heart necklace, and I think these two pieces complement each other very well, even though they aren't like a matching pair, and they're kind of both statement in their own way, but they come together to make like a really nice outfit and overall pairing. And also in the case of like statement earrings and statement necklaces, obviously if they're a matching set and came together, most likely they are going to pair nicely together in an outfit. But this isn't always the case, like with matching sets. Sometimes they can actually deter and like kind of clash as well, which is why it's important to know like what kind of outfit you're wearing. For example, I've worn this like heart earring and heart necklace combination with this off the shoulder top. And because the top is off the shoulder and like kind of away from the earrings, this statement like necklace and earring combination go nicely together. However, if I was wearing a shirt like this one, where the neckline is kind of like interfering with the necklace as well, then the matching pair would actually clash and work against each other. So in the case of wearing like statement and statement, it's important to know what kind of neckline you're wearing. For example, I think overall and off the shoulder would work perfectly, but also if the neckline coincides with the necklace, then that would also be nice as well. So just one thing to note, the neckline and whatever clothing you're wearing when wearing two statement pieces together. One thing I like to do with my outfits a lot, and if you're someone who's like into details, then you would have noticed this as well, is actually match my jewelry to my clothing. And the way I mean this is, for example, I had this outfit where I wore this colourful DKNY skirt, and I particularly wanted to draw out certain colours for it from it. So I wore it with like a little red top with like red ribbing across the neck and on the floral details of the top. And the jewelry I chose to go with was these little dainty earrings with like different coloured jewels. And that is because the red from the top kind of complemented the red in the earrings. And because of the busyness of the skirt, I couldn't do like a statement earring. So I decided to do dainty earrings that still complemented the overall colours that were running through the outfit and complemented the outfit as a whole as a result. And I really liked that outfit. So that is something that is like a little hack. Like if you take out colours from the top or from a piece of clothing that you're wearing and have that colour running through your earrings, then your outfit is overall going to look thought out, it's going to look put together, and it's just going to make sense. And I'm going to put examples of different outfits that I've done this with as well. Another thing to note when matching your jewellery to your outfit is the hardware, be it on your bags or shoes. For example, I have these shoes with the silver toe cap, and I also have this bag with the silver detail running through it and a silver logo. Because of the type of silhouette that they both have, they're kind of masculine, I would automatically pick chunky jewelry. I'm personally not someone who's against mixing metals, so I would do either silver or gold, but automatically I would choose chunky jewelry, be it like a small, like chunky gold hoop or like a chunky, like silver chain necklace. And I'm going to put pictures of like the jewelry I own that I have in mind that would pair nicely with these two items. So that is another thing to note, the hardware on your bags, on your shoes, whatever, and the kind of the silhouette and the aesthetic of the pieces as well. If you're someone who likes to dress more masculine, then these pieces would go nicely with more masculine jewelry and more chunky jewelry. Whereas sometimes I do like to kind of juxtapose the two, so I could easily go for a more dainty outfit, but then it would kind of take away from the outfit and it would almost be a mismatch. So I do still, you can still do like feminine chunky jewelry, but I think chunky jewelry overall would be the way to go with these items. Similarly, if you're wearing like a very barely day heel, then more dainty jewelry would be the way forward in that sense. But basically, match your jewelry to your clothes and look at the silhouette as well as the colours that are running through them. Then layering is also a great way to accessorize your outfits. Like, for example, layering dainty jewelry with dainty jewelry is a nice way to create this layering effect. And I've done this with like little pendant necklaces, and it's always going to look nice. And when I've done these little pendant necklaces, I've paired it with little hoop earrings that kind of layer as one, has the chain detail. So the chain detail from the necklaces complements the chain detail in the earrings as well. And it's just like a cool little hack I like to use. And obviously I have multiple piercings, so I'm able to do that. But if you don't have multiple piercings, you could achieve this with like ear cuffs or even with like earrings that have the chain detail already attached to the back. But that is like a nice way to layer. And in reverse, you can also layer like chunky and statement necklaces as well. One of my outfits that I wore in Paris was like this extra like lace outfit, and I actually layered pearl necklaces, and because they're pearl and all like statement in their own way, they layered nicely together. And because my necklace was very like statement, I decided to wear like almost statement but not too statement earrings in order to put that whole outfit together nicely. Because if I would have done like really dainty earrings, then it would have kind of been an imbalance because the overall outfit was very statement and very in your face. So I think that is like an instance where it's good to wear like everything statement, because like from the outfit I can tell what kind of jewelry I would use. If I have a very loud outfit, then I need either very loud jewelry to complement it, or all the jewelry to be understated, or just a very loud earrings. So kind of look at your outfits and then kind of infer from that what kind of jewelry you should be wearing. And then one thing like people probably don't think about is that your hairstyle actually influences what jewelry you should be wearing as well. For example, today I have a pulled back ponytail, although on camera it probably looks like I'm bald. But because of this kind of hairstyle and it's pulled back from my face, these statement earrings complement this outfit very well. Whereas if I would have done like a little stud, it might be like a little bit of an imbalance because my hair's pulled back, everything's out of my face. So it kind of needs something to draw you in as well. So that is something to note. Your hairstyle will affect the kind of jewelry you are wearing. And that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you found it informative, you found it enjoyable and took something from it. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more fashion related content from me, and comment down below a jewelry hack that you have or a jewelry hack that you're going to utilize in the coming weeks or months. But yeah, thank you for watching. God bless and have a good week.